Do you want to see something super embarrassing? Our names are Mike and Heather. We're traveling the US in our van Appa on a mission to visit all 50 states. Subscribe and join us as we try to figure out this whole van life thing. Thanks for watching. Good morning and welcome to the campgrounds at Fort Wilderness in Disney. We've been in Disney for the last couple of days. We started the first day at Magic Kingdom where we got to explore, see Cinderella's castle, eat some great food, ride some awesome rides. The second day we were in Animal Kingdom where we got to explore Animal Kingdom, see the giant tree, eat a lot of great food, and ride some awesome rides. That day we also learned that we were monetized on YouTube, so it was a little bit of an extra excitement or magic, if you will. I know that that's extremely cheesy, but I feel like when you're in Disney you really have to use the word magic or they kind of kick you out, so just trying to fill my quota here. Yesterday we were actually in Epcot where again we explored Epcot, we ate a lot of great food and rode some awesome rides. We also managed to snag ourselves one of those Figment popcorn buckets. If you know, you know. They were the coveted item in Epcot for the Festival of Arts, and it'll go great with the souvenirs that we're getting today. So today is actually our last day in Disney. We are going to Hollywood Studios where we're going to be building lightsabers. Mike is in the back getting ready and packing up our camp area because today is our last day. But to be honest, this is the reason why we came back down, because since the last time we went to Disney, I've had to hear Mike say what feels like every day about how much he wished he could have built a lightsaber. So I'm excited to say that is how we're starting off our day, going to build lightsabers at SAVI'S workshop.
And that's why you're here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is the reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. Perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, the blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu, Rey. The color of power, crystal of Darth Maul, Visage Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we're here for you. It's now time to select your kyber crystal. Very good. You've all selected your crystal. Now, if you would, please place it on the green crystal holder in front of you. Let's build. Very nice. Now, if you have completed your hilt, go ahead and take it in your dominant hand. And just take a moment to feel how it sits there in your grip. And take a step back. Now, as we move forward into the next... What's happening?
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber dear joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Are you ready? Yes. Then step forward. And activate! Builders! Raise your lightsabers! Hold them high! You'll build a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. Now, builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsaber completely.
Complete your lightsaber is. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground.
We just got done building our lightsabers and we're walking out of SAVI'S workshop now. I'm not that big of a Star Wars fan and I still thought that that was an amazing experience. What do you think?
These are so cool. These are even better than I thought they would be. I have a Jedi one, Heather got a Sith one, so even when we were building them, they thought that these were good in like opposing lightsabers.
You're pitted against each other, aren't you?
So I say we go put these to our van and then come back in and explore without damaging our very expensive new lightsabers.
Yes. So we'll check back in once we've done that.
So we're back at the van now. Do you want to see something super embarrassing? So you know how we said we were running late this morning?
Running a little bit late as usual.
Well, we didn't even take it out of bed mode. We literally threw everything everywhere. So our van is completely trashed right now. I mean, it's pretty bad. Oh my god, it gets worse up here.
Yeah, it's not a good sight.
Well, maybe this will dissuade anybody from like breaking in because they're like, okay, well those people, it's all junk in there.
I'm enjoying playing this. And these are really sturdy. Heather was complaining that it was heavy walking through the park.
I wasn't complaining. I was commenting.
Commenting. That's right.
I was totally complaining. I also sent off. I can't even talk. I also sent off the smoke detector because I just sprayed my feet down because it's getting hot and sweaty out already. So figured I'd get ahead of the game. So yeah, the smoke detector's right there, and I just sprayed my feet here. So we're off to a great start today.
All right, so we're gonna put everything away, head back into the park, and get rolling on those rides and shows.
And that's what we're going on.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
It feels like you're in the movie and you're actually getting rescued and there's gunshots and like everything all around you.
There's just so much in it. It's wild.
Somehow we're gonna be in the Millennium Falcon with just us two. Like, there's nobody behind us.
We get the ride to ourselves and we get to be pilots. So
yeah.
I get to jump us to hyperspace and light speed, and
we both get to fly the Millennium Falcon.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot, make the jump to light speed.
I think we're doing pretty good so far.
Oh, that's lifting. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All available text. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay.
That's us.
This train's seen better days.
That was so cool. I was so stoked. That was the best experience we've had on this. So Heather and I were flying, and then all of the other positions were autopiloted, which means they were really good.
We did good flying.
We did really good flying, like on our own. But the other, like the gunners and the engineers were on autopilot, so like all of the shots were super accurate, and we just had to steer. And I think we did really good.
Yeah, I barely crashed.
It is the end of the day here at Hollywood Studios, as you can see. We've been playing around with our lightsabers. Thanks for joining us on our Disney adventure. It was super awesome. We look forward to seeing you guys again.
We have no idea where we're gonna go next, so until then, good night.